Hello everyone. So welcome to all of you on this current affairs session for UPSC Prelims 2025-26. This all the current affairs session is based on science and technology here. From long many years, I have prepared the current affairs updates for everyone, time to time, and every year I have uploaded on YouTube's. Okay, so this whole entire classes are based on English medium. So only for English aspirants, this class will be fruitful. Another classes of bilingual is also uploaded on the same YouTube channel. So those students have a problem in the understanding of English. So they should have to join these all the classes. Okay, so let us start. Actually, in the beginning, I would like to tell you regarding how to proceed this entire science and technology current updates here. So just 5-10 minutes I will take in this all the entire briefs, how the entire current affairs will cover. And one of the chapter, those based on the current affairs updates, I will complete today. Okay, so it's actually Telegram channel where all the entire PDF is already uploaded. So I will not request, I just request to everyone, please don't go to make a notes. If you start to make a note, it will kill your time. So better you go and take these rocks. Okay, just take a page and in the layout format and four slides in one page. If you want in the portrait and layout, the two page print out in one page. So in that way, guys, you people will complete your notes. So just listen my classes, take this print out and just to check it. Okay, just to connect it. Whatever I'm going to explain, you just listen it carefully. And 1 to 2 times if you listen from the contents, okay, Xerox material. So definitely you will definitely what remember it for long duration of time, but 2 to 3 times it is my suggestion. At least you should have to revise entire current updates. So kindly go and take this PDF from this Telegram group. Okay, the Telegram group is in very simple way, I'll tell you, Dr. Ravi P. Agrahari official. It's better you go there, and these all the actually channels are same, those you can get it. Again I repeat, Dr. Ravi P. Agrahari official is the Telegram where all entire PDF is uploaded. Okay, Facebook page, Instagram, everywhere I'm available. Ravi underscore P underscore Agrahari. Anywhere you people want, you people can follow me. But it's my humble request to all of you, you don't waste your time on social media. Okay, kill your time. For me it's okay because it's difficult to connect everyone. Okay, so I can connect you people very easily, guys. Okay, but for you people, guys, I will request to everyone, don't kill your time, don't waste your time more on the social media. For few minutes if you are going, it's good. If you not go, the more better, guys. Okay, so but still for me it is useful, so I'm there. And this is the YouTube of Dr. Ravi Agrahari's classes, where all the entire videos are going to upload. Those are important for this current affairs in various chapters. Okay, and see one thing more, guys, not only science and technology based current affairs videos, even environment based current affairs videos you will also listen on the same YouTube platform. Okay, so better I will request to everyone, kindly you connect with the Telegram channels and the YouTubes. It is the full solution for all of you for the science and tech environment time to time. But I just want to tell you, I'm not a YouTuber. Okay, I'm a teacher, those love to take a physical classes. Okay, so YouTube, I'm just here just for short period of time, not on the regular basis, guys. Time to time, I brought some videos also related to if any my new edition of books are coming. Yeah, something very important masses like how to go with this kind of topics. Okay, yeah, what about the UPSC prelims? What about the question paper discussions? So in these cases, but not regular basis. Or I think you people already know very well. Reason maximum people already have listened my physical classes. Okay, everyone, fine. Before going to start this entire current affairs updates, I would like to give you a brief idea about the subjects. Okay, see, for those subjects you people are listening me here, that is a science. And what about the science syllabus? So your syllabus is mentioned general science, but UPSC has not given entire syllabus for the science, as many people already have listened in my earlier classes. But yes, because I'm going to start the science, so I would like to tell you guys total number of questions if you do analysis from 2011 till 2024. So how many questions UPSC asked? This all the entire number wise you can understand very well. Maximum number of question I found 20 and minimum number of question I found 13. And the last year in 2024 prelims examination, UPSC asked total 15 questions. So I'm expecting guys around 15 questions plus minus 2 to 3 questions. Those UPSC asked in your paper from science. So if you people are good in science, so you can feel like you are in good condition because here UPSC asks more number of questions. Okay, if one or two question or three question, if UPSC asks from science and tech, yeah, science, so I will also not recommend you. You should not go and do even waste your time. But 15 questions plus minus 2 to 3 have a good weightage, guys. Okay, so for 15 questions preparations 2 to 3, you people are connecting here for entire current affairs updates. Okay, even further, I have divided the entire science into many subjects like biology, physics, chemistry, and one the applied subject is the technology, guys. But I found, guys, even physics, chemistry have very least role in your paper. Somehow UPSC asks a question in your paper from biology, but still very, very rare. Okay, maximum question 90% to 100%. UPSC prefer the technology part. Technology part means applied part. That is the reason if your target is especially UPSC, so you should have to give your hard work with technology wala part, not the biology and physics and chemistry. Okay, fine. Biology, even those questions you generally UPSC asks, mostly this is based on one of the chapter that I brought in science and technology. This is the health and disease with various immunization program. Okay, so mostly those questions UPSC has it's a health and disease with immunization program based question. Those UPSC has from biology, and biology is still it is it is a interdisciplinary with ecology also, and ecology is the part of environment. Even I can give you one idea, guys. In 2020-24, UPSC has one of the questions: which plant among them belongs from the same pea family? From the same pea family means pea family is what legume groups of the plants, and UPSC has which among them belong from the same family means P group wali family, that is a legumes. Option was soya bean, option was horse gram. So the question is what you can also connect this question with the nitrogen fixation and nitrogen cycle. Pulses plant belongs from the nitrogen cycle and nitrogen fixations. Okay, yeah, you whenever you go and do the discussion of interaction among organisms, that is the concept of mutualism. So under mutualism, you will get the example about rhizobium bacteria. Those are available into the plant roots. Okay, so this question you can connect with the biology and ecology. Even whenever I have taken the ecology classes, guys, environment ecology classes, I always spoke in the first 6 lecture in the environment is ecology. It is totally entirely based on the biology part. So that is the statement I'm telling you. Some portion of biology is connecting with ecology also. Okay, it's an interdisciplinary nature, and this interdisciplinary nature in every subject have. Okay, and you people already even prepared for UPSC, you know very well. Yes, sir. Science and technology connected with environment. Okay, environment is connecting with economy. Okay, so every topics are interdisciplinary, guys. Okay, as a beginner you will have a difficulty to understand, guys, but you already have prepared. That's why you are coming and connecting with me on the current updates part now. So here you already understood very well. Yes sir, questions are interconnected. Got it? Fine. So what about conclusion here, guys? The conclusion is what technology part is more important for examination if you people are doing the preparation in science. Now see, guys, syllabus part 2 you already have seen in the prelims. UPSC has not given you syllabus, only mention as what go to general science. Okay, go to general science. Now actually this is the entire syllabus those I brought for everyone, guys, and actually my entire current affairs update will discuss according to this syllabus. Okay, according to this syllabus. Okay, by the way, this is the entire syllabus for the prelims and mains both examination, but here in this entire YouTube videos I am based on prelims only. Okay, I am only focusing the prelims. Here total 11 chapters are required. Even these 11 chapters still required for your mains examination. Okay, in these 11 chapters, what are the list of chapters? See, guys, the first chapter, science and technology in India. Second chapter is energy. Third chapter is the space technology. Fourth is the information and communication technology. Fifth is the defense technology. Sixth is the artificial intelligence, robotics and nanotechnology. Seventh is the intellectual property rights and its related rights. Eighth is the particle physics. Ninth is the biotechnology. 10th is the health and disease with various immunization program, and 11th is what? That is a miscellaneous topic. So actually in this entire session, those I am going to upload on YouTube for your current affairs updates. These all 11 chapters based current affairs update I will upload here, guys. Okay, fine. In this video, my target is a unit 1 based all the entire current updates. By the way, unit 1 current updates is very short. Only 2 topics that I will explain today, guys. The one is Operation Dronagiri and second is a AM 2.0. Operation Dronagiri is a part of geospatial technology. And the second one is what? AIM 2.0. It's a Atal Innovation Mission. The new updations in November 2024 came. That is the AIM 2.0. Even AIM Atal Innovation Mission 1.0 started from 2016. After 8 years, the new version of AIM project even brought, AIM mission even brought. So what is it and everything I will discuss here. Wait guys. Okay, so this is the underline. So, okay, here I'm going to discuss with you the unit 1 science and technology in India based current updates. So now I think you people have an entire thing in your mind how this entire current affairs update I will provide you here. Okay, fine. Now come guys. And this work is not the first time I'm doing here. I think you people already connected. From long many years I'm making the current affairs upload, current affairs update, and I upload on the YouTube guys. Why this work I am doing guys? The reason is because I know very well many of my students, they already have listened my classes last year, last to last year from long many years. Somebody is going for third attempt, somebody is going for fourth attempt, somebody is going for fifth attempt, somebody is going for sixth attempt, not matter. But they have listened my classes earlier, statics, either on my Purvanchal IAS applications, yeah, physical classes, anywhere guys. Okay, so yeah, somebody have a book also through the help of many references, with the help of many toppers, yeah, with the help of many friends, either success or failure, you got some information about one of the persons is writing the books, even science tech and environment, and providing the current updates parts also. So for them guys, it's my responsibility, I should have to make these all the current updates for you people guys, because practically not possible to connect everyone, but with the help of this YouTube platform I can connect to everyone. So this is the reason you people do one favor for me, at least kindly those videos I'm going to upload here with some good positive vibes and visions, kindly share it to everyone guys, so in such a way my work will reach to everywhere guys. Okay, so this is my motive, and I'm very sure guys, whatever I achieve here in my last 20 years of teaching, this is all because of my students. So I am very sure you people will share all the entire videos to rest of all the peoples in every groups. And your Ravi sir even have a demand of this thing only, nothing more. Baki rest you people focus your studies and qualify your examinations. Okay, fine. So the first unit I'm going to start, that is science and technology in India. Okay, and what about the current updates? I told you guys, 2 topics in current affairs updations are required here. The one is Operation Dronagiri. Okay, and the second one, Atal Innovation Mission Updates 2.0. Okay, now come here guys. Upsc. Operation Dronagiri is what? Actually, Operation Dronagiri is a kind of geospatial technology based operations. It is based on geospatial technology. See, this Operation Dronagiri was brought under launched by DST. DST is what? Department of Science and Technology. Okay, and see, especially for geospatial purposes, a National Geospatial Policy 2020-22 already set up. Under this policy, actually under this policy, this Operation Dronagiri is working. But who is behind the Operation Dronagiri? So you should have to tell Department of Science and Technology. Okay, it is working under this policy 2020-22, but brought under DST. You should be very clear. And what is it? This is the kind of pilot project of DST. Okay, it is a type of pilot project of DST. Okay, so here what is that guys? Actually, geospatial technology will be useful in the reference of India, for India's economy, for infrastructure at every level guys. Now question is, what about the objectives? What about the objective of geospatial technology? See, the objective of geospatial technology is what? First of all, do you know what is the meaning of geospatial technology? With the help of geographical information system, with the help of remote sensing satellites, with the help of many other data on the surface of Earth, we are trying to detect various resources. We are trying to detect various characteristics feature. Okay, on such a basis, we are going to utilize them for various purposes, for safety of the people life, for economic growth. Maybe somewhere on the earth, you are getting the resources. It will helpful for the agriculture purposes. It will helpful for the safety of the human life, against disaster management, industrial sectors. So different level guys, geospatial data can be used. So geospatial technology is what? Is a collection of tools and methods to gather, analyze or visualize data related to Earth surface. In such a way, what is the benefit guys? We will create the mapping and models of the Earth and human activities. Okay, see, What about the objectives? The objective of geospatial technology is what? We should have to provide the benefit in various sectors. What about the sector where the geospatial technology will provide the benefit? The answer is agriculture. Answer is livelihood. Is a logistic and transportation sector. So these kind of sectors will get the benefit because of geospatial technology. And geospatial technology, this geospatial technology, that Operation Donagiri, it is working what? Aligned with what? National Geospatial Policy 2020-22. Those you people already have listened earlier, guys. Okay, now come up. Now the question is, what are coming under this, under this, under this? It means what are the implementation? So all entire implementation or Operation Donagiri, you just come here. First of all, I will tell you guys, this geospatial technologies as a Operation Donagiri, it is launched in certain states, and these states are Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Assam, Andhra Pradesh, and Maharashtra. So in these states, guys, this Operation Donagiri in the beginning even launched, initiated. Okay, in this cases, guys, as a pilot projects. Okay, as a pilot project, it is working. Okay, this will be a geospatial data integration. It will be a kind of geospatial data integrations across different industries. You may ask, sir, what is the meaning of data integration? Actually, guys, those geospatial data from the various resources we are going to take now, from geographical information center, remote sensing satellite, everything is going to integrate and try to provide the benefit to run industries in the better manner. Okay, so integrated geospatial data sharing interface will also be the part. And side by side, guys, because of all these activities, it support various sectors. It support various sectors. What are the sectors? Urban planning, disaster management, and even environmental monitoring. Everything we can do. Anywhere disaster happen, drought happen, flood happen, okay, some storms came. So ultimately, with the help of geospatial technology data, we will get a lot of benefits and we can save the life of human beings. Even in such a way, we can boost up the industry, economy also, guys. So everything is integrated in such a way, guys. Okay, now come. So question, National Geospatial Policy 2020-22. Actually, what is the purpose of this policy? At international level, already global geospatial data, country-wise countries, people are doing. Why not India? So now India also entered into that category of nations. So position India as a global geospatial leaders right now. Now India also going to access every information with the help of geospatial technology. Second point, and definitely, guys, in such a way, it will strengthen our infrastructure and fostering our technological innovations. Okay, so our infrastructure and new technology will boost up more and more in India, guys. Fine. Next point. How the geospatial technologies are working. I already told you many times. In the case of geospatial technology, how we get the information about the Earth surface and all integrated informations. So here many GIS system will work. So geographical information system, remote sensing data will be useful. Those remote sensing satellite, GPS satellites, even other satellites, they will take the image, and even various aerial photography, maybe any drones, UAVs you can also use to capture the particular areas of images and all. On such a basis, you are going to make a record on the Earth's surface about the pictures and images, everything. Okay, and in such a way, in which kind of sectors will have a benefit? So you already have listened earlier. Further, I am going to tell agriculture, urban development. Urban development is what? Suppose somewhere have a illegal constructions, people try to make their own house and buildings on the roadsides. So don't worry, guys. So satellite would light images, and satellite would light images are not biased for anyone. Any politicians, any illegals, any bahubalis type of peoples, okay, gundas and all, they are maybe spread their own houses on the road. But see, satellites are not biased. So satellite and geospatial data definitely give the fair informations, and demolish happen, and for the common people, the road and passage will be better. Here I just created some story in such a way how the geospatial technology may be beneficial for everyone. Okay, so in such a way, urban development proper, guys, land administrations, disaster management, banking, and social planning also get very beneficial because of through the help of geospatial technology. Next, see, what about the policy targets? Actually, time to time, guys, under this policy have a various target. Those target we should have to achieve. What about the achieve? By 2020-25. By 2020-25, through the help of geospatial, okay, policies, etc., means Operation Dronagiri will definitely boost up these kind of targets. And these all the targets even will achieve with the help of geospatial technology data. Okay, fine. So legal framework by 2025, what it will achieve? Actually, here in that case, it will try to encourage commercializations. Okay, it will boost up what? Commercializations. Okay, by 2030, what about the motive? Topographical survey. Topographical survey means within any cities, even rural areas, forest and wasteland areas, topographical areas, you can check very well, guys. But you should be very clear. For the study of city based data, rural areas and forest and wasteland area, na, you should have to be a high resolution based cameras. You may ask, sir, what is the meaning of resolution? Resolution is that capacity. Through the help of it, you can identify more and more closest distance. You can differentiate two more closest distance. It's a more better resolution. So in such a way, guys, in the urban areas and rural areas, even you people can identify the houses, building, forest, westland areas. In this topographical survey also become possible by 2030. So, sir, you are telling in the coming future, geospatial data will be more and more improved. Yes, by 2025, it will be work for the legal framework, especially for commercialization purpose use. By 2030, it will use for demographical survey. By 2035, here two were guys. One, bathymetric data, and second is the national digital twins. National digital twins is a kind of digital way physical data try to access. Okay, wait, guys. First, let me discuss about the bathymetric data. Bathymetric data may what will happen, guys? The water body based characteristics feature we try to access. And water based characteristic feature, if you try to access, the water we can use for the boost of economy purposes. This is called as a blue economy. See here, guys. It develop high resolution bathymetric data, geospatial data for inland water, sea surface, and support the what? Blue economy. So definitely it is connecting with water based information. So, sir, within the water, diversity, oceans, chorus, mangroves, why not, guys? Everything can be accessed. Even chorus mangroves also have economical values. Okay, that you people even listen in my environment classes. Okay, so in such a way, guys, in such a way, the blue economy is a part of bathymetric where the ocean and sea based data is going to access with the help of geospatial satellites. Yeah, geospatial data. National digital twins. Actually, national digital twins, okay, establish the national digital twins for major cities by 2035. Don't worry, national digital twins, I will explain in more detail. Wait, guys. Okay, it is mentioned on some next PDF. Okay, parts. It's a general information for your prelims type of questions. What about the general application of geospatial data? What about the general application of geospatial data? See, guys, the one, by the way, many application you already have seen earlier, like urban planning. Okay, through the help of urban planning, it will helpful for the infrastructure development in a cities. Building construction, road construction, bridges construction, everything you can observe with the help of geospatial data. Second one, environmental monitoring, and through the help of environmental monitoring, even the climate change features you can watch very easily, guys. Third one, guys, agriculture. So through the help of agriculture, you can identify crop management. Maybe any pest or insects attack in the particular area, any alien species are coming and disturbing your native varieties. So in such a way, guys, in agriculture areas, crop management also become very easy with the help of geospatial data. Transportation sectors still would be very helpful with the help of geospatial data. Disaster management in the case of any emergency response if required, so you people can also take geospatial technology based data. Telecommunication and healthcare also be the part of geospatial data, guys. Now I told you what about the meaning of national digital twins. Try to understand. Actually, guys, those physical assets are available. Okay, those physical assets means your building, monuments, if anything is like any rocks, anything is rivers, those are available. Those physical assets are available. Its digital replica is going to prepare under national digital twins. Okay, so those physical assets are available now. It's physical asset based digital data is going to prepare in the case of through national digital twins. So, sir, you are telling with the help of some digital data, we can try to identify about any physical asset in the particular area. Yes, and this is called as a national digital twins. Okay, in such a way, any process or services you people can also access with the help of digital replicas. Okay, so sir, you are telling, and if just like graph mapping, so similarly digital replicas data can be accessed. It's a what? It's a virtual network platform. It is what? It is a virtual network platform. And definitely guys, this kind of system facilitate and secure what? In any urban and environmental planning very well, guys. Okay, so the real words we can connect through the help of mirrors. So it's a kind of mirroring kind of work. This digital data will be helpful. Now, what about the institutional framework? Actually, one of the committee is working for that purposes, especially for geospatial sector growth and strategy. And this committee name is called Geospatial Data Promotion and Development Committee. So this committee even is responsible for managing of entire thing. Even everything is working under DST. Okay, Department of Science and Technology is watching about geospatial system very well. But which committee is responsible for every geospatial database measurement? So the committee name is the Geospatial Data Promotion and Development Committee. It will set up to regulate geospatial sector growth and strategy. So this is the overall about it. Kindly remember it. It was overall about the Operation Dronagiri. I don't think so you people have a problem in understanding of Operation Dronagiri. Okay, so now come next, AIM 2.0. Okay, what is AIM 2.0? Atal Innovation Mission 2.0. Okay, Atal Innovation Mission 2.0. Fine. Again I repeat, Atal Innovation Mission based those article published in PIB November 2024. The same PIB reports that published I brought here as a part of current updates. So Atal Innovation Mission 2.0, but again I repeat, Atal Innovation Mission 1.0. Okay, also UPSC asked in your paper, and Atal Innovation 1.0 it brought in 2016. Okay, in 2016. See, first of all, you just see overview of Atal Innovation Mission 2.0. What is here, guys? In Atal Innovation Mission is what? Actually, Union Cabinet has approved Atal Innovation 2.0 on 25th November 2024. And here government has given a budget funding of how much? 2750 crore. So 2750 crore rupees government has given this funding to introduce and make success the AIM 2.0 Atal Innovation Mission 2.0. Okay, who implemented it? Niti Aayog. And what about the target year? 31st March 2028. This whole entire AIM 2.0 will be fruitful. Even they will work. Now question is, even see guys, this AIM 1.0 was launched in 2016. Purpose to build innovation infrastructure in India. Now more we are going to speed up in the case of AIM 2.0. Even guys, this Niti Aayog brought the AIM Atal Innovation Mission. UPSC asked this question. Even I would like to show you this question, guys. Okay, just a minute. On page number 16, if you check page number 16, on page number 16, if you see a chapter, page number 16, chapter 1. Okay, and question number 1. Okay, and this is the question paper of UPSC Prelims 2019 Prelims. UPSC asked these questions. UPSC asked the question, Atal Innovation Mission is set up under the, okay, question is, Atal Innovation Mission is set up under the UPSC Prelims 2019. Okay, see, Atal Innovation Mission was a news in 2016, set up under Niti Aayog, implemented, yeah, set up under Niti Aayog. And this question after 3 years in 2019, UPSC asked it. So those people never read this content, guys. They never listen my classes earlier. They never know ki Atal Innovation Mission, who brought it? Niti Aayog. See options. See options. Okay, Atal Innovation Mission is set up under the UPSC Prelims 2019. 1. A. Department of Science and Technology. B. Ministry of Employment. C. Niti Aayog. And D. Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Which answer is right? C. Bacha, Niti Aayog. Okay, see, this is the question those UPSC already asked in your paper. Okay, so maybe guys, further this question, and see, this question was not current affairs. In 2019, if UPSC has any questions, so current affairs it was in 2016. See guys, today Atal Innovation Mission 2.0 you are listing in 2024 it launched. Today in this year it is coming, so it is a current affairs. Year next year coming, suppose it is also current affairs. Like after 3 years, 5 years, 6 years, return on Atal Innovation Mission 2.0 will come up till suppose 2028 UPSC asks the questions. So you will tell Atal Innovation Mission is a current affairs? No. So you in such a way prepare the science and tech. Science and tech still it is a static. Okay, don't make it a rumor like science and tech is a current related. Same rumor you also made in the case of environment also. Okay, and by the way, those people are listening my classes, mostly they are my students. They already know very well that actually science and tech still is the statics. And I have written the static in book to open your eyes, guys, to understand everything. Okay, so finally, what is the aim of this Atal Innovation Mission 2.0? Atal in India's innovation entrepreneurship ecosystem and improve the global competition. Definitely, guys, India will be go in the global market. So our innovation entrepreneurship will boost up here, guys, and this is very, very important. See. Definitely, what about the drawback in the case of AIM 1.0? We have boost up in the case of AIM 2.0. The main motive is what? Of course, Viksit Bharat. I think you know very well, Shri Narendra Modi ji brought even have given one speech, guys, and here is spoken about India will be a Viksit India, like a developed India by 2047. So definitely, guys, how India will be a developed India, for that purposes research and development is very important. So somehow Atal Innovation Mission 2.0, even Atal Innovation overall, guys, it will boost up the research and development, even entrepreneurship, startup, everything will be a part of them. So innovation, entrepreneurship, these two terms are already always coming from AIM 1.0 and AIM 2.0. So kindly remember, innovation, entrepreneurship will boost up because of AIM 2.0, guys. Okay, AIMS 2.0. Even if you check India's ranking in innovation ranking, what about the innovation ranking of India in the global world? 39. And if you people see the startup wise, India stand the third rank in the world, home towards third largest startup ecosystem. But one drawback in India, guys, 90% plus startup are going to fail in India, and here government should have to think over it. Okay, government should have to set up some committee. Government should have to do the lot of study on them. How and why such kind of difficulties. Even government supporting a lot, guys. But still 90% startup not going to successful, guys. Even more than that. Okay, so here is the startup wise. So India is a worldwide third country in the world. Even government is promoting too much the startup. Success is only the problem. So here, see, startup wise, India is a third rank. Okay, next phase of Atal Innovation Mission is expected to further enhance India's global competitiveness. So India, we should have to keep at the international level in the case of development, guys, innovation, research and development. Okay, and see here in that cases, guys, it will contribute. Okay, Atal Innovation Mission definitely as an output when the many startups, many entrepreneurship will be successful, guys. So the output, what happened, guys? Various services boost up. People are getting the job opportunities. So such kind of benefit happen, guys. So that is mentioned. It will directly contribute to creating better jobs, innovative products, and high impact service across various sectors. Actually, in the case of Atal Innovation Mission, guys, okay, those new initiatives will design, guys. Okay, it will try to help government, industries, academics and various communities. Okay, so it's a multi-directional benefits because of AIM, guys. Okay, finally I enter into the proper statement for this year under AIM 2.0. AIM 2.0 is designed to strengthen India's innovative, see again, innovation entrepreneurship ecosystem in three ways. What about the three ways under AIM 2.0 we should have to adopt? One, guys, increasing input. What increasing input? Actually, if we are going to start any work, okay, so input is required. Okay, input means what about the infrastructures? What about the startup based funding? Everything is required. It's called input. Okay. Now, second one is the empowering the success rate. Whatever the startup is going on, how it is going to helpful, how it is going to be more and more boost up. So estimately startup as it is being started, so how it will sustain and grow. For that purposes, guys, improving the success rate, throughput is going to use it. And what about the last? After it, guys, what about the output of coming? Input means somebody is going to do the startup right now. Okay, in between, if a startup is running, so how it will be more and more successful. And because of this, what about the output, what about the job opportunities and every services and proper products that will come in the market. So in such a way, guys, entire aim 2.0 will work, guys. Step by step follow. First input, then throughput, and then output. Throughput means those are running, it should boost up properly and run properly, guys. It should not fail. And because of this, the output as a benefit, what? Job opportunities, products and services, they are getting even formed with the help of this institutions, yeah, bodies, guys. But one thing I will tell you, guys, under input work, under increasing input, actually under increasing input, guys, here lippy is the concept that you should know. Actually, to start any startup and all, guys, language is a restrictions. India have what? Multilinguistic, guys. Many languages people are talking, guys. Up any startup you want to flourish, guys, to the entire India, guys, so language is a restriction bar, guys. So that is a reason to solve the language kind of problem. The Lippy platform is working. So Lippy is actually under input. You see, two program target increasing input to the ecosystem, increasing input. What about the two program here? The one is Lippy and second 30 vernacular innovation center setup. Actually, if language kind of problem happen, so these vernacular innovation center will resolve the language restrictions. And Lippy, language inclusive program of innovations. Total around India's 22 scheduled languages are there. But in this case of Lippy, they provide such kind of ecosystem where the English kind of words have not any problem if you don't know English, guys. Even English is very common languages. Every state's people, they can connect very easily. Even whenever I go to take classes in Hyderabad, even Chennai, even in Bangalore, I still have a difficulty. Little bit I can speak Kannada, little bit I can speak the Telugu, but little bit, guys. I started to understand from many years, but it's not, I'm not so much good. I can fluently talk to Telugu and Kannada, guys. Even students are so decent, they're supporting me, they're helping me. Even I request to them, please talk to me a little bit in Telugu and Kannada also. Okay, but I have a difficulties. This is the reason enough for you people, guys, especially I'm here to make a English medium of classes. Fine. So it's a benefit here, guys. So languages will not be a restrictions, and this is the reason it is responsible for increasing input, and it is important. Frontier program also under the input work. Okay, frontier program is actually some the state but still have a massive population staying. Around 15% of populations, India's citizens are living in such a state like Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, northeastern states, aspirational districts and the blocks where 15% of India's citizens also live. In this area also have a massive scope where we can go with the help of some more inputs energy, give more input energy to do the startup and all. So that is also here, and that is the reason to more and more input energy here government have planning to create 2500 new Atal Tinkering Lab. I will discuss with you Atal Tinkering Lab and Atal Incubation Centers. ATL and AIC both are the part under Atal Innovation Missions, those brought by Niti Aayog, Government of India. Okay, so Atal Tinkering Lab, Atal Incubation Centers, I will discuss in detail. Actually, Atal Tinkering Lab brought at a school level. Atal Incubation Center brought at academics and university levels, industry level. Okay, that discussion I will do. See, this is the point. ATL, Atal Tinkering Lab, and AIC, Atal Incubation Centers. These both initiatives are actually under what? Under Atal Innovation Mission. It's a flagship program of Niti Aayog of under what? Government of India. Atal Tinkering Labs is the innovation space in the school level. Atal Incubation Center is what? It is working for any startup and entrepreneurship for university, any institutions, any industries. On that level, AIC is working. Okay, even more detail is discussed in the coming discussion, guys. See here, what about the coming discussion? See, Atal Tinkering Lab, okay, and Atal Incubation Centers. Again, I repeat, guys, UPSC whenever connecting any current affairs updates, so try to ask their own static part also. So that is the reason under the Atal Innovation Mission under 1.0, what about the provisions brought under it as a part of Atal Tinkering Lab and Atal Incubation Center? You should also know here, guys. See, Atal Tinkering Lab purpose everybody know very well. Innovations, entrepreneurship, these two keywords, so you already remember always for the aim. AIM 1.0 limited, 2.0 have a more scope. Okay, because in AIM 1.0 language restrictions problem not even identified, those created massive and massive problem to make any startup successful. So that is also integrated. Lipi kind of work that even brought it is 30 vernacular work that has been started. Okay, some regional places like Jammu, Kashmir, Leh, Ladakh, Northeast areas that is still not even developed. Here, Atal Tinkering Lab we are going to set up 2,500 Atal Tinkering Lab. So these all work as a what? Institutional inputs. Okay, Atal Tinkering Lab. So promote a culture of creativity, innovation among students. But again, I'm repeating, it is at school level, guys. School level. Okay, but school should be what? Any government added. Yeah, maybe girls are co-aided schools. It may be part of Atal Tinkering Lab where can be set up facilities. Actually, here some tools and technology we are providing. What kind of tool and technologies? Like 3D vendors, like robotics, like miniaturized electronics, and do it yourself, guys, kits. Okay, actually these all works from the government side. Government is providing. Why? Because students should get, the school level of student will get the more and more benefits. Benefit means a kind of interest part which should have to come. Okay, so in such a way, guys, it will what? It will cultivate a problem solving and innovative mindset of the student. So somehow, guys, this kind of work, the first of things, that will create the interest and a competitiveness actually among the aspirants. So somehow they will have an interest and they will try to think about the innovations. Okay, definitely, guys, if we will start to nurture a brain for research and development sector, so definitely many of the people those are coming right now. So here somebody those have a planning to go for the UPSC, guys, they will do convert into the science and technology development, research and development. Maybe somebody do the work in the space ISRO, somebody do work in the DRDO. No, I have not the planning for UPSC, IAS or PCS or some other doctor medicines. I have a planning to do something for the nation, to do some research and development. So of course, and this is the reason this kind of work, even the school level those started, is very, very important. It is the future for India. Atal, next one, guys. Atal Incubation Centers, AICs. AICs. It support a lot of creations and nurturing of innovative startups. Okay, innovative startups. So see, innovative startups and enterprises are the part of purpose. And here this Atal Incubation Centers, it established at university level, institutional level, and corporate sector level. What about the facilities here, guys? Actually, in this case, wide range of resources and supports from the government side is coming. Okay, what kind of supports? Actually, mentoring, business planning kind of supports. Seed capital means if you people are going to do any startup, guys, so in the beginning what about money is required, that is called seed capital. So government side support, yes, industry partnership training, everything's are the part of them. So somehow, guys, actually in through the help of Atal Incubation Centers, a world class innovations are even possible for the startup. So this is also here very, very important. Now come, guys. By the way, it is not much important. Two, I discuss in detail about Atal Tinkering Lab and Atal Incubation Centers. Okay, actually what about the initiatives of him? So two, that was important. Rest of all even I mentioned, but it is not important, like Atal New India Challenges, Atal Grand Challenges, and Mentor India, etc. And new initiative those brought under AIM 2.0 that you will listen again further in the next slide. Piloting new programs. Of course, new programs, that's why Jammu, Kashmir, Northeast states, why they all brought new program, new startup. Okay, scaling the successful models, okay, like through government, industries, and academics. Okay, we should have to increase the various models. And see, these are the various dimensions in which dimension Atal Innovation Mission is working. Just go Atal Tinkering Lab, Atal Incubation Center, Atal Community Innovation Center, Atal New India Challenges, Mentor India, Language Inclusive, Lipi you already have seen, State Innovation Mission. Okay, State Innovation Mission, what happened, guys? You people will see here an AIM Ecosystem Development Program under three ways. AIM 2.0 is working, and AIM 2.0, those are working in three ways. See, guys, the first, increasing input, you already have seen. I already discussed with you Lipi. And second one is what? 30 vernacular innovation centers, 22 scheduled languages are have a no restrictions now. Second one, frontier program, those states not covered, Jammu, Kashmir, Ladakh, North states, they are covering, and 2500 new Atal Tinkering Lab going to set up here. Sir, it is already discussed. Yes, bacha, it is already discussed. Further, it is being repeated here. Okay, fine. Second one, you come. Second one is what? We should have to improve startup success rate. Of course, input mein what happened, guys? Startup we should go have to start. Now those startup has going to start, it should have to run proper way. To run proper way is a throughput. This is the what? Improving startup success rate. What is here, guys? Human capital development programs. Okay, human capital development program, how to boost up? Very simple, guys. We should have to support, okay, any managers, teachers and trainers are very important. Those provide a various level of support in any kind of innovation because they have experienced people, so definitely will helpful to them any startup. How the startup will be boost up, guys? They work as a catalyst to run a startup in the proper way. Second, deep tech reactors. Actually, in deep tech reactors, guys, here government is helping to commercialize high tech technology. High tech technology, they are the part of deep tech reactor. State innovation missions, actually state level, they provide a various strength, and Niti Ayog even state support mission brought especially to boost up the state based various innovations. And see, international level of support also even helpful. Okay, in AIM 2.0, how? Global Tinkering Olympiads. Okay, Global Tinkering Olympiads is going to organize. It's a kind of annual event. Those are going to event organized every year by Atal Innovation Mission under it. Okay, in this case, guys, actually the aims is at the global network of young innovators and entrepreneurs by encouraging them to create innovative solutions. So at global level, guys, okay, they all are the young innovators and all, they are meeting here and they are trying to get some solution also to resolve such kind of problem in such a way. If any of the startups are working, so it should not work, it should run actually. Second one, guys, 10 international partnership already working for the advanced economy. So international level of collaboration, those are even working, especially to run a startup properly. Collaboration of WIPO to expand AIM models globally. WIPO, I think you people know very well, World Intellectual Property Right Organization. WIPO discussion I already done in the static part under intellectual property rights. WIPO is those guys, okay, those joined United Nations from 1974. What intellectual property right organization, and the purpose of WIPO, guys, if any incidents, any problems regarding intellectual property right happen worldwide, so WIPO try to resolve them. Okay, earlier the WIPO was the BIRP. I think somebody listen my study classes, they know very well. Okay, fine. So WIPO is also expanding our AIM models globally. So WIPO support is also there. And one thing, guys, Startup 20 Engagement Group, it is a group of G20 countries. So somehow G20 countries group and some collaboration with our startup, and they are trying to help at international level. So of course our startup also getting the help of Startup 20 Engagement Group. Last, the third one, the third way of AIM 2.0 is the improving output quality. Now see, output quality, what will happen, guys? When the every startups, they have started as the input, the second one is what? Now it is start to run very good, and now third one is what? Because of this, ultimately people are getting the better jobs, better products and better services will come for its users. Okay, I'm now here, industrial accelerator program launched to boost up at all, and here 10 industry-led accelerators even work in the critical sectors, and this they all are working on the basis of public private partnership model. And second one, Atal sectoral innovation launchpads. Atal sectoral innovator launchpad is what? Launchpad does not mean from where the satellite is going to launch, but the name is used from the launchpad. It means it provide a platform for the growth and development. Okay, fine. Actually it establishes the IDX like platforms. Okay, IDX like platform in central ministries for startup integrations, and 10 launchpad to be developed across key ministries. And one of the launchpad that is very common, IDX, I just explain here. Okay, in such a way, guys, central ministers are working to boost up some of the research and development. Like IDX is what? The Innovation for Defense Excellence Scheme. Innovation for Defense Excellence Scheme. Okay, it was launched by Honorable Prime Minister in 2018. What about the aims? Faster innovation and technology. development in defense and aerospace sector. And I think you people know very well, defense and aerospace sector always important for India for research and development, and that is the reason Shri Narendra Modi ji even launched this IDX platform in 2018. So such kind of platforms are called as about sectoral innovation launchpads. And this is one of the example about the IDX. So IDX similar 10 new launchpad the government is going to work where the more and more research and development boost up. So in such a way, guys, these are the three ways in such a way AIM 2.0 is working. Kindly remember at least 2 to 3 times this video you people listen entire videos. Okay, so this was the overall, guys, in this first lecture. The first chapter was very small here. Every year it was small. Last year I think it was 20-30 minutes. This year so it maybe have taken around 50 minutes. Fine. So I will stop here, but again I will tell to everyone, so my work, those I do with my full honesty, guys. Okay, even my book work, my class work, and my YouTube's current affairs classes. So kindly share it to all the person, guys. Those are serious, to every platforms. So in such a way, my work will reach to everyone, to your doorstep, guys. So English medium classes, I just first time I'm going to make it. Either every year I brought the bilingual classes. English medium, especially for those areas people have a difficulty to understand the Hindi. So I'm very sure in this year, the first time those English medium classes I started to provide you, it will literally will be very fruitful for everyone. Okay, and it will be a very good even the videos, even the people will like and comment and shared, and definitely if I will get such much of response, so now English medium classes separately I will try to provide every year, guys. So thank you everyone, and kindly again the last you people be on my Telegram group to download this PDF. And for statics, this is the book that is already available in both English, Hindi mediums. Other languages in the coming future may have possibility to be in Telugu and Kannada also, and many other regional languages. But still, it will take some time. So right now, for those people who have a difficulties to understand Hindi, you should have to follow the English books. Thank you everyone. Kindly share this video to everyone. Give the response about this and write the feedback. Okay, and I hope so. Like after this this year, the first time those English medium of classes I'm going to provide you next year onwards, because of this year of good response, I will try to make it. It is all up to you guys. Thank you guys. God bless you. Take care.